How to set up 360 guard and similar antivirus software to make LightyearVPN work normally. Sometimes 360 security guard or similar software will misjudge LightyearVPN as a threatening software, which may cause it to be uninstalled or blocked forcibly. This will cause the LightyearVPN to fail to operate normally, fail to overturn the wall, or even lose the network to the computer. The LightyearVPN client is safe and is a software certified by Windows. LightyearVPN has a Windows security certificate, and there are no viruses, Trojan horses, and malicious programs in the installed files. The certificate of LightyearVPN can be viewed in the properties. Right-click LightyearVPN.exe, open the properties, and click the digital signature to see the certificate details. Similar software includes 360 security guards, 360 antivirus, QQ Computer Butler, Tencent Computer Manager, Dr. QQ, Master Lu, Tinder. Don't be nervous when you encounter this situation. You can add LightyearVPN to the whitelist of 360 security guard, or directly delete 360 and other antivirus software to make LightyearVPN run normally. Proceed as follows. 1. Open 360 security guard. 2. Click on the Trojan check and kill in the menu bar of the main interface. 3. Click on the trust zone on the right interface. 4. Click on add file, select LightyearVPN and open. 6. Check the pop-up confirmation prompt. 7. Click OK, complete the operation. Note, in different versions of 360 security guard, after clicking on the Trojan horse, the location of the trusted zone may be different, and the specific operations are the same. After completing the above operations, if you still can't connect normally for light years, some files may have been blocked or deleted by 360 or other security software. You can reinstall the latest version of LightyearVPN. Finally, it is recommended to completely delete antivirus software such as 360 Security Guard and Tencent Butler, because they will create a lot of obstacles to your computer and cause many inexplicable problems. Especially when using VPN, it is not recommended to install these software. Besides, Windows 10 already has its own firewall.